Now, whenever you open any of the sample databases, regardless of the chapter you are in, you will find that they are all without tables. They will have queries, they will have forms, some will also have reports, some will even have modules already in them, but none of them will have any tables. The reason for this is that the tables are the same in all the databases, and we've left them all in one place for you to import as and when you need them. So if you open up one of your working databases for the first time, you'll see on the left there is no table section because there are no tables. So we need to either import or link to those tables depending on your own personal preference. So in order to do that, we go to the External Data ribbon. We're in the Import and Link group and we're looking for Access because the data has been supplied and it's in Access, it's just that it's in a database on its own. So you click Access and then you'll need to browse to your working folder, and in Chapter 1 you'll find there's a database called Sales Incorporated _data only. The data tables for all of the working databases. So we select that and you have the option to open. Now at this stage here, you can either choose to import those tables, they'll be brought into this database and they'll stay in this database and you can do what you like with them, or you can link to the data, in which case you will create a link to the data in the data only database. And if you were to amend any of the data, even delete all of the data, it would delete it from the data only database. Unless you have a specific reason for working with the linked data, I personally would suggest that you import the tables. Thus, the current database that you're working with will then be standalone. It will be on its own. You can do what you like with the data, and you've still got the original data over in the data only copy. So I'm going to import the tables. Okay. Select the tables section, select all. All the tables need to come across. Okay. And Access will then import the tables from the data only copy into the working copy that you're currently on, depending on which chapter you're in, obviously. You'll then be asked if you want to save these import steps or not. Well, unless you're likely to need to do it again, I would suggest that it's a not, and then close, and you'll see all the tables then appear. So that's external data, access, browse to pick up the data only copy, which is in the chapter 1 of your working files, open. I'm suggesting that you import, but you can link. But bear in mind, if you make any changes to the data in those linked tables, you will change the data actually in the data only copy. Then OK. All the tables, select all, OK, and that will then import them. And then you'll have a working copy ready to go ahead and work through the chapter that you're currently on.